Welcome Ultimate DIYers to another cool tool review. Today we've got this little 1/4-inch driver bit holder that you can order on Amazon, and I'll leave you the link in the description, but I do think it's a time saver. I'm always leaving my bits in the toolbox or out in the truck, and I'm having to run back and forth, or I'll put them in my pocket and I have to dig around for it. So if you've got multiple bits, even drill bits that you're trying to deal with, this thing will hold them. Works very simple. It's a little opposite of what you'd think. Instead of, when you take a bit off, instead of pulling it backwards, you're going to actually push it forward like so, and the bit comes out. Same thing when you put it back, same way. The actual clip is just like the old climber clips. That's what these things are generally used for. You just open it up, slide it onto your belt, move the bracket back, and the little piece locks in place. Just like that. Now I can carry it everywhere I go. Just full disclaimer though, I do like the little bit holder, but I do not care too much for this clip. The clip itself, a little metal piece fell out as soon as I started using it, and when you actually, it's hard to line it up with that metal piece gone. It likes to pass it, move around, and then when you close it, instead of stopping in one spot locked, it tries to go past it, so it's flopping around. It's not really very tight. So I would buy this just for these pieces, and I would probably get me a new clip, or buy myself a new clip, if the clip you get does not work very well like this one. They do sell these in a package of one for like $8.50, I believe, or you can buy a pack of 10 of them for $85. They also have some multiples in below that, but it's really great. You could actually hook all your bits and have them on multiple pieces like this and hang them throughout your tool area, your trailer, whatever you're working out of. Then you can just grab it and go. Awesome tool. Hopefully we'll see you guys on the next tool review, and thank you for watching.